everyone. Sorry, the last 2 weeks was so busy, and so this is the third week sentence, which is 他星期一打篮球, which means he Monday play basketball. I know in English doesn't really the grammar is really like, it's not, it's not correct. However, in Chinese, we don't have the changing of verbs for past tense, current tense, or future tense. It's always the same. And okay, 星期一 means Monday. So here 他, that is he. Okay, so I know many people, they learn Chinese, they will start to think that the writing bit is too difficult. I just learned the pinyin and I remember 他 means he or she, so that will be fine. But it will be fine at the beginning. However, if you want to go a little bit further, then you will find it difficult because each pinyin have so many, the same pinyin has so many characters, different meaning, and if you do not try to recognize, even you don't know how to write, but however you try to recognize it, you will get confused to some point when you and then you started to be struggle, and then you give up. So actually I encourage every single people who try to learn Chinese to learn the character at the very beginning. So do not think it's difficult. It's not difficult at all. You just keep telling yourself, and then you just need a little bit extra practice and a little bit more exploration for exploration to the language, and and then you get used to it, and it will be really not that difficult, trust me. Okay, so let's learn the first character together first. That's for the first day of the week, suppose. Of course, if you could learn it quicker, then you could learn 2 or 3 or even 7 characters in one go. That's why I upload all the videos at one go. You just address your own progress by own space, by own pace. But ideally that some people, if you find it difficult, you could really try to learn the character like using 2 or 3 days or even longer. It's really up to yourself. However, I encourage every people learn Chinese, and you learn how to write, and at least how to how people write it, you have an idea, and then you try to learn by yourself, and then you get used to it, and then you will find that it's not difficult at all. Very important for people to understand. Every single Chinese, when we learn the language first, we learn read and write together. We don't pinyin is only a tool for you to help you to pronounce it. Now people use it to type in computer or in mobile phone, so that's pinyin for, but it really is not. Pinyin cannot replace the language at all. If you only remember pinyin, that's not Chinese. Okay, let's begin the writing. So today we're going to learn 他 first, which is he or she. Okay, let's organize this like that. Okay, push this away, and okay, if you watch my video and then you watch how I write, it's really not like people I can't just imagine how this could be written. It's not like unimaginable, to be honest. And like I said, the strokes are really they're very common for each character. So you start the writing, then you get used to the strokes writing, then you will know when you see a character, you will know how to write it later on. Okay, so let's start writing 他, which means he or him. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, the pinyin is 他, and it's first tone. When we finished it, about 2 months lessons, I will start to focus a little bit more on the tones. At the moment, we don't need to worry about that. And this means he or him. And when you try to practice your writing following me, it's ideal that you could follow exactly like I write. So one stroke is one. For example, this one is one stroke. So when you practice writing, you write exactly like that. So don't like section it, or just draw as you like. It's not like that. So you need to get used to it, remember how to write it, and then you will know when you see this type of shape, you know that, oh, it's this stroke. Yeah. Okay, very good. So this is the first character, which means he or she. Please read 他 Okay, that's the end of this lesson. Thank you.